Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm showing y'all this product I picked up from the Dollar Tree that I used to clean the tile grout in my bathroom. Y'all, it was so easy and it did such a good job. Just watch. So this is what my floors are looking like. This is what we are starting off with. The grout is dingy, it's dark, it's not supposed to look like that, okay? So let me just show you up close what we're working with. That is embarrassing. That's really embarrassing. I haven't cleaned my grout, I'm gonna say, for about a year and a half. Maybe 2. Okay, so that's why it looks like that. You can see certain areas it's a lot lighter, and then the high traffic areas are just disgusting. So yeah, this is what we're gonna use today. It is from the Dollar Tree, the Works Classic Clean Toilet Bowl Cleaner. I've heard that the toilet bowl cleaner solution is great on grout, so that's what I am trying out today. It says it contains sulfamic acid, which I'm pretty sure is hazardous, so turn that little fan on in your room, okay? Turn your little fan on in that bathroom. And so we're gonna start in this back area and bring it on out, so you know, that's the best way to do it. Start from back there and bring it on in, and that's how we gonna go. So first I'm just gonna lay down the product. I thought it would be a little bit thicker, but it's definitely a lot more of a liquid here, which is okay. And we're gonna let it sit. So I'm just putting it in this section first. We're gonna go section by section. I should have let it sit for at least 10 minutes, but I was super anxious. I wanted to get into it, wanted to get started. So that first section had about a 2-minute stand time, if even, because I got in there and I got to scrubbing. I had this extra children's toothbrush, which the bristles are super soft, so but it was still getting the job done. It was getting in there, look at that already. Look at the difference. Look at the nastiness coming up. Look at what's going on. Oh yeah, definitely wear gloves when you're doing this, you know, because chemicals, you don't want the chemicals on your skin. Just don't. So I'm getting in there. Oh my God, just looking at it, I'm disgusted. I will never let this happen again, y'all. It will never get this dingy, dirty, and grimy in my bathroom. It's just grossing me out right now. So in that area there, it's a lot lighter than it is in the areas I have not touched yet. But from experience before, I knew that once it dries, you'll see a much bigger difference. There's still a little bit of grime in there. But like I said, I was using a children's toothbrush, and I feel like using a grout brush is gonna be ideal. That's what it's made for, you know what I'm saying? It's much, stronger, much harder. So it's gonna get in there and break that dirt up for you. So let's get into that. I was in a pretty good mood getting this done. I knew that I needed to do this for such a long time, and I was prepping for it. You just want to watch to the end to see how well this product worked. It still amazes me. It's from the Dollar Tree, so it's like $1.25. I forget what the actual total per item is at Dollar Tree these days. Yeah, I didn't have to put too much elbow grease in there. It was simple. Lay it on, leave it on for a bit, and like I said, I was so anxious I couldn't let it sit for 10 minutes. I had to get it up, and that's exactly what I did. So in other videos, I've heard that they recommend the Lysol brand. But again, we went with Dollar Tree, boo, and it worked just as good. Well, I don't know if it's just as good, but I've seen other videos, and the results you know, are pretty similar. So if you're working off a budget, you just don't want to spend that much money, hit the Dollar Tree up. What I didn't show in the video is after I got done scrubbing, I would use a microfiber cloth with hot water and wipe it down to get all the residue off the floor. Or if you have a mop, you can do that. But I wanted to get in there and I wanted to be down on the ground. Look at that. That's before, y'all. That's before. This is what my grout is supposed to look like. That. Look at the difference. I am amazed. Amazed. Okay?